video recorded is too short. Why is it too short? I've done this. I've done this before. Don't try to frustrate me, okay? About to get real, okay? Instagram reel. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, am I covering the mic? Today I'll be walking you through Instagram's new feature called Reels. Now it's very similar to TikTok, so if you are a TikTok user, this feature will be fairly easy for you to navigate and use. However, if you're not on TikTok, then I'm going to be showing you how you can take advantage of this new feature. Instagram Reels is designed to make even the least followed accounts go viral. The way it does that is that once you use like popular audio, then your reels can be discovered through using that audio. Like, you know, if the song is really popular, like Billboard chart toppers and so on, or if it's just suitable for making content, and you use that same audio, then just by clicking on the audio from the reel in a reel, somebody else's reel, you can discover all the reels that have been made using that particular track. So once you've added your reel with using that track, your reel will also be discovered, and by extension your profile could also be discovered once you make your reel engaging. You could also add hashtags, so that makes it easier to discover your reels as well. And by posting the reels to your stories and your feed, that gives it more visibility and more chances of getting discovered by the public. Well, that's if your page is public. It's better if your page is public, because if it's private, then nobody's going to discover. Well, that's if you don't want to go viral. Not everybody's looking to go viral. Not everybody's looking to go viral. I'm not. But in case you are, then you can use this additional feature to get more traffic to your profile. You can share your reels in your stories and in your feed, and the most watched reels will get featured on the explore page. If you don't know how to go to the explore page, it's that magnifying glass, that search. If you go to that, then you will see the reels feed, well, a section for reels. You can click on that, and then the reels will start playing. You can scroll up to go to the next one, or scroll down to go back to the previous one, and so on. So if you would like to take advantage of this new feature, stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a tutorial in 5, 4, 3, 2. Like, I don't know, for some reason these two fingers don't stay up. 2. So now we are going to be talking about the Reels interface. So basically, to my left right here, we have the audio button, we have the speed button, You have the filter button and the timer button. So when you go to audio, there are a bunch of songs that you could choose from, and if you don't, Jesus Christ, anyway, you could simply do a search for this button. Is annoying me. You can simply do a search for the song that you would want to use, and whatever, yeah. So you could also choose the section of the song that you want to use. Video section now is loaded, and then you can select your speed. You know, for 1x that is normal speed, 2x will be 2 times the normal speed, 0.5 will be half the normal speed, so you go slower towards the left and then faster towards the right. We're going to leave this at 1 for now, and choose a filter button, choose a filter, and yeah, we'll put this one. And now you can click on the timer button and then adjust the slider to set the duration of the take that you wish to record. And when you're done, hit set timer. The thing about it is that, however, I did a previous recording, and because I am using a screen recorder right now, it does not work properly. So if I go to record by hitting the center button right here, at the end of it, it's going to tell me that the video, the duration. So short. I don't know why it's doing that, but you get the basic idea of how to record. So I'm going to quickly record the takes for my reels, and I'll be back to you in just a sec. So I just created this reel here, and yeah, it's really dumb. But to add a little more oomph to your reel, you can go to the sticker icon here. You can add your date and time and so on and so forth, and you have these basic stickers. Also, you have these gifs that you could add in. Let's see. Leveling up seems suitable. Yeah, so add that in, and then you could also draw if you so wish. And you can also add text. Let's save this, and I'm gonna put that in pink. This. So I have, when the text here is grayed out, that means it's not selected. If you click on it, then it will turn white, and then you can edit the duration. So I'm going to stop this one here, and I'm gonna add some more text. This is gonna put that in pink also to match my outfit. Is I'm going to edit the duration of it. Put in another line, this in pink. I'll start it here. And then I'm going to add in test as well. And I'm going to also put anything test. I'm going to put down here. Then I'm going to edit the duration. And now we can see how it looks. So they will pop up and then disappear. So let's pull this back a bit. And then you hit the right arrow. You can also add video that you've already recorded from your phone to your reels. Simply click on add media, then you adjust the duration of the clip from the video that you want to use, and then hit add. The video I'm adding right now, I used Triller, which is a different app to make, and it's also similar to TikTok and Reels. Then you can proceed to add the audio to that, and the track that I used to create this video was Sugar Honey Iced Tea by Princess Nokia. So you just want to line up the audio clip as close as possible to the original. If you are going to repurposing your previous Triller and TikTok videos for Reels, just try to sync up the audio as much as possible. And just to make things a bit more interesting, you could also record new takes to add with the video that you just added. Once again, because I am doing a screen recording, this isn't going to work out too well. And you can select a cover for your reel by, you know, just sliding across the pin below here. Or if you want to add one from your gallery, you just swipe up and add from gallery, then hit done. You add a caption. This is a test. Then you can also add your hashtags, drop it like this: hat, clowning, clowns, whatever, and so on. And you could share it to your stories and to your feed. I'm gonna save it as a draft for now, and I could go to my profile, and then this tab right here is your section for reels. You can hit drafts, and then you'll see all the drafts that I've been working on. And so we have come to the end of the video. Be sure to like, to hit subscribe and the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post content. And don't forget to share this video with